Hey guys, welcome back to iToolab channel. You insert your SD card, expecting to see your photos and videos, but Windows doesn't show anything. No SD card in File Explorer, no files, nothing. In this video, I'll show you the most common fixes and how to recover your files completely. Fix 1. Check the connection. Let's start with the simple fixes. If you're using a card reader, try a different reader. Or you can also try a different USB port on your PC. Fix 2. Assign a drive letter. If the SD card is still missing, open Disk Management. Press Win+X and select Disk Management. If you can see your SD card in Disk Management but it doesn't appear in File Explorer, it may be missing a drive letter. Right-click the card and choose Change Drive Letter and Paths. Click Add or Change. Pick a drive letter, then click OK. Fix 3. Update the driver. If Windows still cannot detect the SD card, you need to check the driver. Open Device Manager. You will find the SD card reader under Disk Drives, USB controllers. Then try to open the Action menu and choose Update Driver. Windows will reinstall the driver automatically. Also, you can check optional driver updates if they are available. Now pause here. If your SD card is still not showing up, recover your important files before trying repair methods. For this, you can use iToolab RecoverGo Windows Data Recovery. RecoverGo can scan your SD card and find lost photos, videos, documents, and other files that Windows can no longer access. The process is simple. First, connect your SD card and open RecoverGo. Second, select the SD card and click Search for Lost Data. The software will start scanning your SD card. While it runs, you can use filters to find the files you're searching for. Third, preview the files you need and recover them to a safe location. Fix 4. Repair or format the SD card. After your files are recovered, you can try repairing the SD card. For SD cards with file system errors, you can run CheckDisk if the card has a drive letter. If you no longer need the data, formatting the SD card can make it usable again. And that's it. If your files are important, recover them first before formatting the card. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.